Okay, this aircraft here is the P-8 Poseidon, and it's got the hamster pouch type high bypass turbofans, just like the ones on the classic Boeing 737. Let's see what else there is. The one behind there is obviously the A-10 Warthog from Fairchild Republic. That is the Airbus 400 something, the one that crashed in Spain recently and killed everyone on board. Let's see what. These are all American jets. Let's see what is this. Okay, so it seems they allow members of the public to enter, but I think the queue is a bit too long. I'm not sure what aircraft this is. This looks like an F-15 because it's got a seat for the bomber as well as the pilot. Let's see if I'm right. Oh, sorry, F-16.